Today I'm going to teach you how to delete or hide reviews and recommendations on your Facebook business page. This is particularly useful if you want to manage what kind of feedback is visible to potential customers or if you're temporarily pausing public reviews while you address customer concerns. Let's start by heading over to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed straight to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu. You should see your Facebook business page listed there, typically under your shortcuts section. Go ahead and click on your business page to access it. Once you click on your page, you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your business presence on Facebook. Now look for the settings option on the left navigation menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon or simply labeled as settings. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking Settings, you'll be directed to your Settings and Privacy page. This page contains various options that control how your business page operates and what information is visible to the public. From here, focus your attention on the left navigation menu again. Look for an option called Page and Tagging. This section specifically controls how other people can interact with and tag content on your page. Click on Page and Tagging to access these controls. Now you're in the Page and Tagging section, which is where the magic happens. Here you'll find various settings related to how others can engage with your page. Look for the option that says Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. This is the key setting that controls whether reviews and recommendations are visible and whether people can submit new ones. You'll notice there's a toggle button next to this option. Click on the toggle button to disable it. By turning this off, you'll effectively hide all existing reviews on your business page and new visitors won't be able to leave reviews either. This change takes effect immediately, so any reviews that were previously visible will now be hidden from public view. And that's it. You've successfully hidden reviews and recommendations on your Facebook business page, giving you more control over what visitors see when they land on your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.